One of the things we're really excited about here in the AVOC is our support from our various manufacturers, such as the people from Vertical Partners West or the Venom folks. So we have installed in here a number of the Venom chargers, so we have them set up for either the H520 batteries, the unique H520, or we've got them set up for the unique Typhoon H batteries. Now when we have this fully deployed, we can charge as many as 32 batteries simultaneously. Now Venom also manufactures chargers for other brands of UAV, so if you have a DJI Phantom or an Inspire, there are several other different types of battery chargers that they manufacture. The thing we like most about them is the fact that we can charge 4 batteries simultaneously in about the same time it takes to charge up just one battery. They're air-cooled, so we don't have to worry about them overheating, and they also are capable of storing our batteries. So if we charge up a lot of batteries for a mission that we end up not using, we can also just cycle the batteries back into storage level. So we're really grateful for the folks that come to us from Vertical Partners West, or better known as Venom, and their charging solutions. Our next acquisition, as soon as we can afford one, is we are going to be installing one of their industrial-grade chargers that are going to live inside of our storage facility here. That will give us fireproof, intelligent battery charging for the very best battery management system possible. So stay tuned to the AVOC channel as we start to install more equipment inside. Thanks for watching.